Alright, let's go beat this shit. Nothing. Nothing. I was half right. I swear to God, I must have the, like, pickup handgun ammo thing on there. So that's all I seem to be finding now. One more Tic Tac for the road. Thank you.
Sherry. Okay.
Sick of this handgun ammo bullshit. It just won't work in bullets.
Kucheng is up ahead, at the mouth of the river.
All right, come on.
What?
You're worried about Simmons, right?
Why? He's an asshole.
You're gonna be fine. Okay.
This is coming from Jake, damn it. Oh, fuck you! I ain't fighting you. Nope, I'm running as far as I can. And apparently that's as far as I can. I saw the red. That was Ada.
Is that you?
Did you see her do it? Of course.
Jesus Christ!
Woo!
Watch out!
There we go. Whoops. Thought I did it. Apparently I didn't. Oh! Sick of this shit!
This day's never gonna end, is it?
How about that attitude?
Come on!
Okay, you say come on, yet I jumped first. Okay, that's better than handgun bullets. Son of a f-
Back! This prick won't give up.
Well, that was an accident, but alright, I'll take it. Ah!
They're not shooting at us, they're helping us. Money to the CSAA.
Yeah, baby! Aw, man, now I can't get the points for it. Shit balls. Whoa, I realize these for the sake of XYZ.
Let's hope it's
Magnum kills. Nope, not the Magnum. That was the Magnum. Okay, thank you.
found us another boat.
Ironically.
Just saw some sort of light or something in the water.
Fuck you. Bump. Oh, whatever. Resident Evil logic only gets you so much credit. On a dime. Whoa. Oh. I don't want to defeat the BOW. Where the hell is it? Eat this. Eat. Well, don't eat that one. Perhaps eat this one? Yeah, Roadhouse. Wasn't using that gun, but okay. Quit stealing my points.
What the hell was that?
I don't know, but whoever they are, they just saved my life.
Our lives.
Over there, that's the rendezvous point.
This surprisingly is not all about you, Sherry.
Worst boat ride since the Titanic.
Come the fuck on. This logic is really starting to piss me off now. Shit. Shit. It seems like the good, Ada. And let me guess, now it's gonna come after me, because now it's all... Never mind. A text message saying you're welcome.
Yes. Almost. Alright, we'll be there as soon as we can.
Simmons?
Boss still keeping tabs on you, huh?
For now.
Ooh.
Let's go then.
Am I catching a hint at a heel turn? You devious bitch. Please let this be the end of the episode. The game episode, not the YouTube episode, 'cause we still got a few minutes. Well, actually, this is going to be the last episode before we offload, so I'm going to go a little bit over. It's a Sherry heel turn. I like the sound of that. Which he is. We all know this by now.
I want you to run. No matter what happens.
For me.
Promise me.
Oh, I was close. But we all know he won't. That's not a spoiler alert because the Chris scenario, the Chris campaign, we saw them together in Chapter 5. Not a heel turn, or not a spoiler, I should say.
Terrorist attack. Is it true?
What? Are they running down the street screaming it to anyone who listen?
Answer me!
It's for the benefit of the United States and global security.
Can't see how killing the president is good for the country.
Well, I'm not touching that one.
To thank for that.
I know there are a lot of people who would disagree.
Dispose of them.
I'm not one of them, though, so...
You're fired. Those two are still of use to us.
You need to be more careful. All right.
See, I think hating on Donald Trump is like the same sink as hating Roman
You
Reigns.
make it to that door.
People hate him just because it's fun to hate him.
Waste him.
I don't get it.
You to take care of Sherry.
He's my boss, so
I do have better
I respect it.
What are you two gonna do?
Finish Simmons.
You finished him for good!
There's information on here that could stop the C-virus. Simmons wants it.
Thanks. I'll put a call into FOS, get you some protection.
Sending in an FOS, whatever the hell that thing is. Now, why not send more chainsaw bitches at me?
Not a chance.
You promised.
I lied. Sherry!
Here, get it? Fuck you! Superman punch! Man, we suck. This is the second time we're getting captured. There's the Superman punch. End of the chapter? Yes. And we got an A for that. I knew it. What sucked was our deaths, right? No, actually, the deaths were... I got an A for that. It was my accuracy that sucked. Seriously, did I accidentally equip the give me handgun ammo? No, I didn't, so what the fuck? Ah. Alright, so we're going to end the episode there. We'll come back after I offload. So everybody, thank you for joining me. We will be beating this shortly because next is chapter 5. That's the final chapter. And then we have one more after that. So everybody, thank you for joining me. Don't come back, or don't forget to come back next time. So until next time, everybody, take care now. Bye-bye then, and stay classy. Don't forget to join the Bob Squad.